Hi, sir. I am sorry to bother you again and again, but I'm really curious to know how you did this project. For that reason, I will follow any word you're going to say to me. I have created this video, just I want to show you, is I'm in the right direction or not. Please feel free to give me any feedback. What I did, first time, just create face. Then face, then create, then let's assume try, now I am here. I have created the group. Then what I did from here, I just went to create a group. Just let me copy the key because I needed to use it somewhere. Then from here, I chose the region. Then just by create a group ID, which is my, then paste the key, then click send, show me it's successfully has been response. Then I have create person inside this group. From here, create, then back to choose the region, then again choose my group, the same name, my, and the value for the key. This has to show me the name of the person. I will call it, for example, I will leave it as it person 1. It's fine for me, just for test. Then show me OK has been created. After that, I have to add a face to this person. From here, add face. There is some mistake. Let me create person again. Let me choose region. My, then the name of the key. Then send. It will give me the name of the ID of this person. Just copy the ID because I need the next step when I want to add the face. Then come to here again, add face. It's fine. Choose the region again, UK, South. Then again from here, person group, my personal ID, which I copied from there. I left this empty. Then here the key, which I used from there. Then copy it here. Then for this image, I'm going to use image from the web because I just for testing, just let me use that one. Then back to here, then copy the image here, which is fine. Then let me try send, show me it's fine. Response status OK. Then let me train the group. Just from here, training, back to here, South UK, then just the name my, then that key, then click send. Well, Now response accepted, it's fine. Then show me this the result. This is what I have done for this stage from your article, which I mean that one. For these steps, is am I right? And me in the right direction. I submit the photo that you see it from the online. Just put the link. Then now I'm going to look at this. Please, if I'm in the right direction this step, please let me know, please. I really appreciate that you help and your response for my